How to back up your WhatsApp chats. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp on your device. Here, tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Tap on Chats in the Setting menu. Now scroll down until you see Chat Backup. Choose Chat Backup to open Backup option. Select how often you want WhatsApp to back up your chat. You will see options such as Never, Only when I tap Backup, Daily, Weekly or Monthly. Pick the account you want to use for backup. To create an immediate backup, tap Backup Now. You can toggle Include videos on or off depending on your preference. And make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi to avoid data charge during backup. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.